afternoon, friends. This is Sid Panjabi here. Hope everyone's doing well. So today is the 14th of May, 1:25 p.m. and we've sold Titan 1000 quantity at the rate of 852.15 with a stop loss of 861 levels, and we've kept a target of around 841.80. So the reason for why I've taken this trade is because the market had gapped down and Titan came to a resistance level, and from there we saw a pattern which I like on the charts, and I took the short trade with a stop loss. So I will run you through the trade once the trade where it goes and what happens. As you can see that we are about 40 minutes into the trade and the price of Titan is around 844 levels. So what I have done is that I have trailed the stop loss. So the stop loss I have put is around 854, 855 levels. So automatically our risk to reward is in our favor, because the first time when we took the trade, when we had entered the trade, the risk to reward was 1:1.1. And now the risk to reward is about 2.8 to 2.9. So that's a good way to get your risk lower. As you can see, this is my trade log, the price which I short sold it and the price which I bought it back at. Also, you can see in this trade that this is the amount that we got as gross profit, and after all expenses we cut, this is our net amount. Thank you for watching.